So hello students, in this video we are going to solve a question of stationary waves in which the equation of the stationary wave is given like this: y is equal to 0.8 cos pi x by 20 sine 200 pi t, and we have to find out the separation between the consecutive nodes. Let us look at the question. So the equation of a stationary wave is given by this, where x is in centimeter and t is in seconds. The separation between consecutive nodes is. Look at this animated image here. In this you see these red colored dots which are present here. These are nodes. According to the definition, nodes are those points which do not oscillate in a standing wave. Here you can see this black colored disturbance which is moving up and down, that is called as standing wave. And behind in the background, two traveling waves are moving, one rightwards, one leftwards, and by the superposition of those waves we obtain the stationary waves, and these points which do not oscillate are called as nodes. We also know that the distance between two adjacent nodes is equal to lambda by 2, where lambda is the wavelength of these constituent waves which are traveling in the background. You can see, for example, this blue color wave that is traveling rightwards, the wavelength of that wave is lambda, and in the stationary wave the distance between the two adjacent nodes would be lambda by 2. Now let's go back to the question. Look at this equation of the standing wave. In general, the equation of standing wave would be written as y is equal to 2a times of, it could be sine kx cos omega t, or in some other cases the equation could be y is equal to 2 times of a cos kx and sine omega t. Any one of these is a standing wave. Now in this given question, actually it is given in this second format. This equation given the question looks like this second format here. So if you compare, then this pi x by 20, this number is same as kx. Or you can say that k, the constant k, which is also called propagation factor in standing waves or waves topic itself, the constant k is called as the propagation factor, which should not be confused with the spring constant in simple harmonic motion. This is not the spring constant, although the name of the symbols are same. So it should be understood that k is not a spring constant, but actually it is called propagation factor, and this constant k is actually related to the wavelength of the wave, that is equal to 2 pi divided by lambda. This is the formula for k. Now in this question, if you compare this term cos kx and in this given equation cos pi x by 20, clearly one can see that the coefficient of x, which is pi by 20, is a constant k. So therefore from the question we can see that k is equal to pi divided by 20. So if you equate both of these, so we'll get that pi by 20 is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Pi and pi cancel from both sides, and by solving this you get the wavelength lambda is equal to 40 centimeter, not meter, because in the question they have given that x is in centimeter, so definitely lambda would come out to be in centimeter. So the wavelength is 40 centimeter, and here this lambda by 2, the distance between the two nodes, that will become 20 centimeter. So the question is asking what is the separation between the consecutive nodes, which is nothing but this 20 centimeter. So the answer is 20 centimeter. I hope that you understood the solution. So please like my video. Thank you very much.